Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Kahoot account. So first, you have to open a Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the URL section right over here, type Kahoot and enter it after you're done. And from the search results, we could see the first one, which is the Kahoot official website. Click on this option and you'll be successfully landing onto the Kahoot official homepage. And in the top right corner, just beside the sign up, here you can see the login option right over here. Click on that option and you'll see an interface like this where you are required with a username or email as well as your password. So simply type down your username or email as per your preference and your password as well. And if you have forgotten your password or lost your access to the password, click this below that says reset your password in order to reset or recover your password. And you can also log in with Google, Microsoft, Apple, Clever, or also single sign in. And if you do not have an account in Kahoot, click on this option in the enrollment process. So this is it guys, and after you're done with it, click on this login and you'll be successfully logged into the Kahoot account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.